Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, attorney Hugh Wildman has signaled his intention to appeal this morning's ruling in the full court.
Justices Lorna Shelley Williams, Simone Wolfe Rees and Andrea Pettigrew Collins ruled that the 2020 extension of the Director of Public Prosecution DPP Paula Llewellyn's tenure was lawful.
Raquel Porter has the details.
Attorney Hugh Wildman is representing double murder convict Mervyn Cameron, who filed the suit in February challenging the legality of the extension of the DPP's tenure in 2020. He contends that she has been acting in the post illegally for the past 3 years. But Justice Lorna Shelley Williams, in handing down the ruling in the Supreme Court this morning, stated that whether the extension took effect on or after the DPP's 60th birthday is irrelevant.
The extension could not have taken place until the end of the DPP's tenure. Secondly, Section 96(1)(b) of the Constitution allows for the extension to be granted after the DPP has attained the age of 60. However, the agreement must have been arrived at before she turned 60. As previously stated in my judgment, I find that the agreement to extend the tenure of the DPP had been concluded before the DPP attained the age of 60. That agreement was evidenced by the Extraordinary Gazette of the 26th of August 2020.
She went further.
Mr. Wildman, I note, had referenced in his submission about inquiries being made about a second extension being granted to the DPP. That issue is not before the court, and it was not raised in the fixed date claim form.
Not satisfied, Mr. Wildman insists there are grounds for an appeal.
The court acted on evidence that did not exist, and the court got the date wrong when the Gazette took effect. The court failed to look at the relevant sections of the law. So it's a very bad decision, which must be appealed.
Monday's ruling comes days after the government came under criticism after passing a bill in the lower and upper houses of Parliament to increase the retirement age of the DPP and the Auditor General from 60 to 65 years. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.